Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, question 16. A ray of light traveling from glass into ethyl alcohol is incident at the boundary at an angle of incidence 30 degree. Calculate the angle of refraction. Now, given that the refractive index of glass is equal to 1.5 and the refractive index of ethyl alcohol is equal to 1.36. Now we are asked to find what? To calculate the angle of refraction. The angle of refraction. Now for us to calculate the angle of refraction, we must know the refractive index of this boundary where the light or this light ray actually crosses. Remember, the angle of the refractive index for glass, that is of the light moving from air to glass, is 1.5, and the refractive index of light moving from air to ethyl alcohol is 1.36. Now we'll have to find the refractive index of the light moving from glass to alcohol, and this is giving us refractive index from glass to ethyl alcohol, and this is equal to the refractive index of glass all over refractive index of ethyl alcohol, and this is equal to 1.5 all over 1.36, and we'll have 1.103. Now this is the refractive index of the light rays moving from glass to ethyl alcohol. Now we can now see the refractive index of the light moving from glass to ethyl alcohol is equal to sine angle of incidence all over sine angle of refraction. Now we can now see 1.103 is equal to sine 30 all over sine r. Remember, I have to find r. Now from here we can see sine r, that sine angle of refraction, is equals to sine 30 degree sine 30 degree all over the refractive index of light moving from glass to ethyl alcohol, and that is 1.103. And sine 30 degree will give us 0.5. Now all over 1.0103. Now to find r, we simply take the sine inverse of this. So we now say r is equals to sine inverse of 0.5 all over 1.103, and this will give us 27 degree. That's approximately 27 degree. Now when you take the sine inverse of 0.5 all over 1.103 in your calculator, when you punch it on your calculator, you get 26.9 something, and so approximately that is 27.0 degree, and that is option A, 27 degree. So this is the angle of refraction. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.